In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Overstock password. If you've been locked out of your account or simply can't remember your password, don't worry. The reset process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do from start to finish. First, go to the Overstock website and open the sign-in page. This is where you normally enter your account details to log in. Once you're on the login screen, look just below the sign-in form for the option that says Reset Your Password. Click that link to begin the recovery process. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address connected to your Overstock account. Make sure you type in the same email you originally used when creating the account. If you have more than one email address, take a moment to double check so you use the correct one. This step is important because the password reset instructions will be sent there. After entering your email, submit the request and then head over to your inbox. Look for a password reset email from Overstock. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute or two and also check your spam, junk, or promotions folder since these automated emails can sometimes be filtered there. If needed, refresh your inbox before checking again. Once the email arrives, open it and click the password reset link inside. That link will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password for your account. When choosing a new password, pick something strong but memorable. A good tip is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters if they're allowed. At the same time, avoid using something too obvious or reusing an old password if possible. Now enter your new password, then type it again to confirm it. Be careful while doing this so both entries match exactly. If there's a typo in one of the fields, the system may not accept it, so it's worth taking an extra second to review what you entered. Finally, save the changes to update your password. Once that's done, return to the sign-in page and log in with your new password. If everything was entered correctly, you should be back into your Overstock account without any issues. That's all it takes to reset your Overstock password. If you found this helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.